Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Persona 5 Scramble, the Phantom Strikers, some type of Japanese box. Basically, this is the collector's edition of Persona 5 Scramble from Japan. As you can see, I got the Switch version because I'm waiting to get the PS4 version for the English release. But go ahead and start opening this up. I still don't have my tripod, it's still broken, so we'll be doing this kind of the old-fashioned way, the one hand holding the camera, and then one hand doing the actual unboxing. How many times do I have to sit down the phone? Well, it seems like none because this just lifts up. So there's the front of the box. We have Morgana holding this jewel, and it's it has a little texture to it, like the outline is kind of bumpy and you can feel where it rises up. But other than that, it's just a nice, shiny, flat surface for this collector's edition box. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it. I really don't know what's in here. I've kind of forgotten. How does this open? Okay. Oh, it opens like a treasure chest. All right. Awesome. I'm so excited to play this. I played the demo and really loved it, and it was the thing that sold me on getting this. So here we have the actual game. We'll open that up in a couple minutes. Some screenshots on the back. Of course, you gotta get, yeah. Don't even need to mention that. But yeah. So what I can tell from Scramble is that it is more of a sequel than any other spin-off game, and that it actually has some real Persona gameplay, if that makes sense. This is the main theme making Blu-ray and the original soundtrack. We'll have to open that up later as well to kind of see how that all goes. We have an art book, Persona 5 Scramble, the Phantom Strikers art book. Again, we will open that up. And then I think, just like in the Royale, there's a t-shirt in here. I can't remember. I don't know what Japan's obsession is with t-shirts, but no, it is not. It is a bag. Cool. Awesome. There's something else in here. I have no idea what this is. This is exciting. Because like I said, I just got excited from the demo, so I decided to buy this. I had no idea what was in it. So this is the collector's box. Pretty nice box. Gonna look good on the shelf. Let's go ahead and just start opening some of this stuff in. I'm actually really excited because I had no idea. I don't know. For some reason, I thought it was just gonna be a t-shirt again or something. I do want to go ahead and say thank you for watching my videos. Some of these videos have been doing really well, at least really well for me. The Persona 5 one had about 500, well, I can use that ball. Okay. Persona 5 Royale unboxing has over 500 views now, which is just amazing to me. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate the good comments and stuff. I'm really trying this YouTube thing seriously now after 5 years of doing this, so we'll see how it goes. Alright. This seems like a cloth, well, obviously it's a cloth, but like one of those, just cloths to hang up, not actually to use or anything. Oh, cow. This is big. That's so exciting. Alright, so it's a Morgana cloth. We have Morgana in all the different outfits and stuff. And it rises up. We got the Persona 5 Scramble right there, and then Morgana in Tokyo. He's a little samurai, and then he's a snowman. Really cool. This is a nice thing to put if you have like a collection or something, or a shelf of Persona stuff. This is a nice thing to hang up beside it, or like on the front or something, to really give it that Persona feel for the display. Cool. Alright. I'm pretty sure this is just a bag, but we're going to go ahead and open it anyways because we're opening everything else. Because it's exciting times. It's like Christmas every time we get one of these things. Christmas I spent my own money to get it, and I already know what the gift is, kind of. I guess in this case I didn't really know. So Persona 5 Scramble, the Phantom Strikers bag. I don't think this is a Switch bag. It seems a little small for a Switch bag, but maybe games and stuff can go into this, or maybe it's supposed to be like a money pouch or something. Hold on, sorry about that. I'm not sure. Or maybe it's just a shoulder bag, because here's a lanyard right here to attach to the hooks on the end and carry it. So, possibly akin to the messenger bag that we got in Persona 5. Just Persona 5 Collector's Edition in America. We got that messenger bag, and I guess this is kind of like a pocket messenger bag, but on the front we have Joker, Sophie, and Wolf. Those two, Sophie and Wolf, being the new characters. And then Joker, we all know who Joker is. He's that guy from Smash Brothers. I'm going to go ahead and try to fold this cloth up. And then we can go ahead and, oh, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. Go ahead and open up everything else real quickly. All right, I'm about to do something that I do not recommend. Get a pencil, then poke. Make that nice little slit. There's no better sound than freshly opening up something. It's like one of the best sounds in the world, especially a game, or in this case, like a Blu-ray thing. I don't know, it's just the crinkles and stuff. Sounds great. So here we have the original soundtrack, all in Japanese. It's multi-disced. That's good. That's good. Not one of these mini soundtracks. America really likes to give us mini soundtracks. Like with the Royale, we're getting like 8 tracks, which just really annoys me. But in a lot of Japanese collector's editions, they're like, buddy boy, we're going to give you 40 tracks. We're going to give you like every track. And for some of the main songs, if you can see, they give us the lyrics, which is very cool. These seem like all new songs. Last Surprise, Scramble Edition, Rivers and Deserts, Scramble, awesome, love that song. Yeah, and then some other ones. I'm so happy that I'm making this. I'm so happy that people watch these things. I'm glad other people enjoy. I make these because I enjoy unboxings, and I'm glad that people enjoy mine. So there's disc 2. Disc 1 had Joker on it. Disc 2 had that other girl on it. I already forgot her name. Was it Sophie or something? And then we have the main theme making movie, which is a Blu-ray. And then there's the back. Looks nice. Put it up there. Look how beautiful it is. And last but not least, I'm gonna pop this again. 3, 2, 1. I said 3, 2, 1. Well, you know, maybe we won't open this today. Just kidding. It's an unboxing. We have to open it. What if we set the phone like this? Motion sickness warning. Up. 3, 2, 1. Quality content for me as always. Go ahead and open this. If there is a DLC code, Scout's Honor, do not use it. Just kidding. I'm going to open it beforehand to make sure. So janky. Alright. So we got the game. Nope. Good luck trying to do that. You know what? This one you can have. But all there is the cart, and then some cool art in the back that's completely ruined by this telling us where to find the manual. That kind of sucks. But on the back it has like different locations of the map and stuff like that. Looks pretty cool. And the game, P5S Persona Scramble. I'm excited to put this to the Switch and start playing. Alright, as per usual, I will not be opening the art book because it contains spoilers, and I really don't want to see spoilers. But this is what came with the Persona. It's called Japanese Collector's Edition. I'm sure it has a actual name or something. But we got this cloth, we got this bag, got soundtrack, Blu-ray, game, art book, and box. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this wasn't too bad for you. It's a long video. It's over 10 minutes. Oh, my goodness. Make sure to like and subscribe and stuff like that. Go check out my gameplay channel. Or my, not channel. Go check out my gameplay videos. And then go check out my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Andrew. I'm going to try to be streaming more often. Alphabet soup in my mouth right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. I love you all. And leave a comment below how you felt about this video. Anyways, see you later. Bye.